Here's the latest on xtalks.com. American medical device company Edwards Lifesciences is recalling 757 cardiovascular balloons in the wake of 3 deaths and 22 complaints reported to the FDA. Hello, I'm Candice Tang, Life Sciences journalist and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is Using Cognition to Guide Decisions on the Safety and Tolerability of Drugs in Clinical Development. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of this video so that you can always stay up to date on the latest Xtalks Vitals episodes. To perform heart surgery, surgeons need to stop the heart from beating while ensuring the patient stays alive. To do so, they use an IntraAortic occlusion device which blocks off the aorta with an inflated balloon. But if the balloon bursts, the patient can suffer serious health consequences like brain damage and death. About 9 lots of the IntraAortic occlusion device were recalled as a result of balloon rupturing, which compromises the ability of the device to safely block the aorta. In many cases, the surgeons were able to rescue the ruptured balloon and complete the surgery safely, but at least 2 patient deaths could be related to the ruptured balloon. Edwards Lifesciences is currently investigating the cause of the defect, but has advised surgeons to stop using these devices immediately. This latest recall adds to the company's growing list of faulty cardiovascular medical devices. Since the beginning of 2019, 3 other Edwards Lifesciences devices have been recalled, including a balloon intended to enlarge the heart's atria that couldn't deflate properly, and an incorrectly assembled device that led to inaccurate measurements of blood pressure. The company had issued an urgent notice to users of IntraOortic back in May, warning of the device's defects. In response to growing safety concerns over medical devices, the FDA plans to make their adverse event reporting procedures stricter and more transparent. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured life science webinar for this episode, Using Cognition to Guide Decisions on the Safety and Tolerability of Drugs in Clinical Development. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.